Hey, when you think of the users of the internet, what most of us think about are regular people like you and me, right? Humans. Isn't that who the internet is made for? The internet is one of the most important and transformative technologies ever invented. I happen to know a few people who couldn't even live without it. Me only. The internet is a digital fabric that has woven itself in our lives in one way or another. But this is the internet of people where we can buy or purchase items, play games, read books and do so much more. Well, you know what? There is a new internet that has emerged in the past few years, which is not just about connecting people, but also about connecting things. Hence, was named as Internet of Things. It is poised to change the world. But one might think that connecting things to the internet is not a big deal, but it's kind of because things can start sharing their experiences with other things. Wait, sounds weird, right? Like how would that even work? Well, you take things and then add the ability to touch, sense, control, interact and collaborate with other things, just like us humans do with our five senses. Wait, let me give you some example. Take your smartphone for instance, and the number of sensors it has. It knows where you are, it knows when you are moving, it knows what you are saying, when you are saying, how are you holding it, it knows how much light is in the room, and it can communicate over a wireless network. Now this might have sounded like the most obvious example, but let's look at the smartwatches. It tracks your steps, your sleep and other activities, and it can communicate over a network too. Nowadays, your television sets, refrigerators and even your ovens are connected to the devices that inform you through mobile notification that you have run out of eggs or you have not paid your electricity bill on time. All your seemingly simple devices that existed before the internet are also becoming somewhat like the Siris and the Alexas. One might question the most obvious issue with this, and that is the misuse of data. But we also do our banking online, don't we? There are security measures in place that do not let these devices send your information to just anyone. Your approval is necessary. One brilliant advantage is to when, God forbid, if while sleeping you start to feel uneasy, the data can connected by your smart devices and all your medical history can be shared with the doctor for the best possible treatment. All of these is Internet of Things, and I would like to welcome you to your new exciting journey. Now, why it is exciting? Because the day is not far when everything will be taken care by us, by our smart devices. From our most menial activities to our most complex one, like recording sleep cycles and health trackers, to perhaps driving us to places without us to worry about anything else. This means the future for IoT engineers is secure and the growth is massive. But before we even begin, you need to understand a few things about your journey in this field. You know what to do that? Very quickly go ahead and check out our next video. See you there.